Hello, in this video I want to show you what is Drapla and how to use it. Maybe in the beginning a few words about Drapla. So Drapla is a tool which allows us to test everything which happen in your browser. And also Drapla is very innovative tool because you don't have to know how to program. And also we don't have to record anything because every single step we create by own hand. But I will tell you something about that in other videos. That video will focus on basic things like what Drapla can do for us. Drapla also based on a few fundamentals things like test cases, actions and functions. In that video I prepared a test case which will check that filter work in correct way. I will use another Drapla account to test it. There is steps which describe what I will do, maybe not I but Drapla. So the first step is go to Drapla, then we will log in because those three steps consist of login. So provide email, password, then we'll click the sign in button, and in the other steps we will fill some details in our filter, and we will assert that action appear what we want. That's because it's only one action, and for that I have to log into my second account. Okay, there is the email, use the password, press the sign in button. And exactly the same stuff Drapla will do for us. After login, press the action icon, then we can see the action page, and Drapla will click their filter button. Then Drapla provide their go to Drapla keys, then press apply, and Drapla will check if only one action with go to Drapla landing page exists, and also those two actions isn't visible for Drapla. Okay, let me switch to my main account. I will show you how those assertions look like. There is steps, and we have three assertions that I mentioned before. So the first one is assert that action with name go to Drapla landing page exists, and there is two other assertions which check that those actions doesn't exist. I will tell you all of details how to create action, how to create test case in other videos, but in that video we will focus on how Drapla works. If we want to run that test case, we have to run test browser and desktop connection status. There we can see in our desktop icon Drapla is launch, and if Drapla desktop is launched, we can just press the run test case button, and we can see there is a new browser open. Then Drapla provide email, password, press sign in button, move to actions, and do all of that stuff that I mentioned before. There is few assertions. Let's minimize that that window, and there we can see that assertion are still in progress, one more left, and if those stuff will finish, we will see report of that things, status, and other details. And it's all what I want to show you in that video. If you have any question, let me know, and don't forget about subscribe our channel. Thanks, and see you on the next videos. Bye.